Hi everyone, I hope you've had an amazing weekend. Manze guys, it's hot. Hey, it's hot. Mi hapa mali niko nachemka natamani naweza tu kutoa hii nguo. Anyway, so today we are here at Mwenje Resort. I'm meeting a very good friend of mine. He's a content creator, he's a comedian, and he just talks about Luo lifestyle, Luo kind of living. I'm talking about none other than GK Serkal. I've tried to look for his real names everywhere. Na sijapata. So today he's going to tell me his real names because he's a friend of mine and I just call him GK. It's just the same way the people who don't know my real name. Wananijua tu kama Wilbroda ama Awilo. So guys, welcome to the Networking TV. We are here at Mwenje Resort. Once again, thank you so much, Mwenje Resort, for always welcoming us here, for giving us amazing food. So today we are going to take a walk. We'll have a good laugh with this amazing, funny friend of mine. Follow me.
Tebu kidogo nikupigie.
Hi. Hey, GK uko smart.
Yeah.
Hey.
My weakness.
Hey.
My weakness.
Ni kutembea tu tunatembea my friend, surely.
My weakness. Happy New Year. Ama bado
Happy New
haijaisha.
Year, Happy New Month.
Ama Happy New Year inaishanga huko June.
Kuna mali unatengezea.
Si unajua
Unaona mpaka yuko na nini? Yuko na emblem ya nini?
ama Kenya na.
Hii ukionanga unaonanga ni kama huyu ni mtu anafanya kazi, unapata matenda ama ni nini afanye?
So kwanza hii mwaka tukiweza pata hata moja tu.
Hata moja tu. Itakuwa mwa wasanii wengi sana.
Kuna mali unaweza pata?
Wapi?
I thought you had the connections.
Na wajua imagine nikitana nao. You know, you really make my evenings. Even when I'm down, you really make me laugh. Nashindwa nipe tenda.
Moja tu. Hautaki mbili.
One is enough.
To save all the generations.
I know.
Tuacha ndo maana navaa naweza kutana
No, but you look really good.
My weakness as always. Fundi ni mmoja. Lakini wanakuaga wawili.
Fundi ni mjamo.
Fundi ni mjamo. Huyu anaitwa Cityficial.
I know Cityficial.
You know, others call him Bob, others call him Brian.
Yes, I know him and I see his works. He's really good. He's really good. He's got gifted hands.
Yes. Fundi ni moja, yeye ni fundi ni mbili.
Sawa, karibu kwa show yetu.
Nimekaribia.
I know there's a time we had planned, then one thing led to another and tungeweza kukutana. But I'm glad that today is the day that the Lord has made.
The day the Lord has made.
And we are glad and rejoicing in it.
Biblos page 32. Somebody say amen.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Unaendanga church?
Of course. Is there any possible?
Okay. Wasanii unajua tena wasanii hawati watu wa kwenda kanisa.
Mimi hata niko na church yangu. I'll invite you over. Wacha kuenda, niko na yangu.
Na wewe
ndani ama ndani ya nyumba though.
Ndani ya nyumba.
Sasa ukipata nimeweka volume.
Iko.
I'm telling the kids fungua hapo Genesis, what does it say? Masaya kutoa sadaka ni mimi bado natoa.
That's so interesting. Unajua nilienda kwa Helen. And he told me siko na church. Nikamwambia mnakwenda church.
Mmoja
Joseph
ya Arunga.
Wa Finger of God.
Finger of God. Okay.
But you know Finger of God is actually in the Bible.
Finger of God.
Yeah, hiyo vile ni Finger of God.
Sini ma fingers toma kuna finger nyingine.
Lakini ni ya God. Si hizi zako. Si hizi zako zinatumika kwa kazi zingine mbaya. Ya Mungu ni Finger of God ile iko kwa Biblia. Iwinje mabaya. So we went and we were just having a talk and conversation. Akaniambia, hapa Sunday ikifika tunaamka sisi wote familia watoto, tunakaa hapa kwa sitting room, tunaomba, tunasoma Biblia, tunaimba. Nyumba yetu na kwa kanisa, service ikiisha pastor anasema the service is over, go with the Lord.
I think he copied it from me.
He did?
Because that's what I've been doing for a very long time.
For real?
So my family goes to church. But most of the time, kama waendi tunaiconvert hapo kwa sitting room.
Now wakienda wewe ukibaki unafanya.
Bado mimi naiconvert tu hapo. I still remain. I have like 2 hours, 3 hours we just go.
Yeah. Sawa. So we are going to take a walk.
Yes.
Around Mwenje. You've been here before?
Yeah, I was here.
You want to drink your water?
We will come with it.
We will come
for it.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been here in the year 2018. But it was not developed like this. People used to park around here. Just
kweli?
Yeah, there was no this one.
Yeah.
A friend of mine told me, niaje umenunua ndai? Sasa si tunaweza, those time your first car.
Yes.
Ni ile Toyota sijui 110 inaenda hivi kichemuka. So they were showing me hidden gems.
Yeah. And this was one of them.
The first one.
Yeah.
So I've been here.
I was introduced to this place by Mwakideu. Yeah, so we come here, we hang out, we have their chicken. Their chicken is really good. Their food in general.
Exactly.
And we just have conversation and talk about life and what we do and family and stuff like that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Talking about family, me, I want to know your growing up because mi nimekujua tu tumejuana of course kwa mtandao, then tukawa tunakutana kabisa vunja gari ya wenyewe. Vunja kabisa.
Vunja. Ingekuwa yangu hapa sasa hivi, you would have heard from my lawyer. My lawyer would have served you.
So tell me about your growing up, your upbringing really.
My upbringing.
Because sasa. Wewe ni beste yangu, wewe ndio umjui. Introduce yourself to the camera.
My name is Nicodemus Masau. I'm the mixologist at Mwenje Resort.
You are what?
Yeah. Mixologist.
Oh.
Yeah, mixologist and nutritionist at the same time. And so I do make cocktails and organic cocktails.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does this have?
This has ram as aperitif and whiskey. Then we combine with it.
That is mkombero.
Yeah, this is mkombero.
Did you say mkombero?
This is mkombero.
Mimi nadhani ni ginger nini. Ginger, lemon, hot water.
It's actually really nice.
It has so many things.
Would you like some?
That's what you've put for her?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mkombero. Aje tuendelee, I'll come late.
Okay.
Mtengenezee kama hii.
Sawa.
Imsaidie na nguvu za kiume.
Sawa, karibu.
Kuna mahali ya ku-experiment I've seen a friend. Can I say hi?
Yes, please do. Please do.
Chips.
Oh, it's nice.
Nimekuona. Sababu uko hapa. Niko hapa. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine.
Okay.
Kumbe pia unajua hapa? Nice. Now. Talking about myself, growing up. Yeah.
Umezaliwa wapi? Umelelewa wapi? Wazazi wako?
Before ukiona hivi unaona ni kama nimezaliwa wapi?
Given the accent. Wewe ni wa kukam.
Mimi ni wa kukam.
Kabisa without a doubt.
I knew.
Lakini pia mimi kwa na hiyo accent na mimi nimelelewa Nairobi.
Now I knew. Everyone perception. Mtu tu yote tu ananionanga. Wewe huwezi kuwa umelelewa Nairobi. Wewe huwezi kuwa umezaliwa Nairobi. Yani because of the accent and the way I think I act, people assume that I was born in a deep village somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know which place. And now, ni hustle tu labda ilinileta mtaani.
So where were you?
I want to confirm to you guys, this is a born town.
For real?
Upper Salem. Dr. Livingstone hapo kwa
Yes.
And there's one guy can affirm that.
Yeah.
Alinilea akinipiro. Brian Weke.
No way.
Hapo, your neighbor.
Yeah, I know Kina Brian's place.
You know his place?
Yes, I've been to the grandmother's place.
Yeah,
yes.
Now you see that door?
Yeah.
Before fika kwa mlango wa nyanya yake. Grandmother, the first door, our door.
What?
Yeah, that's where I was born. That's where I've been raised. Though Nairobi unajua mna mama, usiku na mchana. So I've moved around. We stayed in Kayole. First from Salem.
Yeah.
Umoja 2. I started my primary school in Umoja 2 Primary School.
Okay.
Oyole. Usowe. Dandora Phase 4. Tukimove around.
Around Eastland too.
You know, around. You're in Eastland hawa ni Bompe. Those time ilikuwa ni Bompe.
Ilikuwa ni Bompe.
Mpaka ilikuwa ni pesa wadosi. Ukienda Kayole ya.
Yeah, no, but ukweli zamani mimi hata nilikuwa natamani tuhame Umoja.
Mwendo Umoja.
Because Umoja ilikuwa inakaa tu place ya Masosa, kina Buru, hizo ma area.
Then you know every ghetto has a section for the wadosi.
Yes, yeah, true.
So ukiwa Umo.
Yeah.
Hapa I think Bicenta saini ama Bicenta.
Yes.
I think hapo ni kwa Bompe. Ukirudi Kayole, ukianza place Kayole Kona. Place fulani inaitwa Nyando. Nyando sasa hapo ni kwa Masosi. Elekea Kayole Kona. Au ni alafu kuje Koma. Sasa wenyewe mmomoka.
So you want to tell me at a primary nini umesomea huko?
Okay. Born, raised here, primary, everything here.
High school?
Mimi mshago bado tu hii mtatu.
Ulisoma wapi high school?
Where else? If not Alliance.
Wow, uongo.
If not Mangu.
Aukai hiyo design. Sijasema ati
nikutolea certificate. Leo nilikuwa nimetembea nazo soft copy. To prove kwamba nimesomea form 1 Starehe,
form 2 Alliance.
Nika form 2 third term wakanifukuza. Ule mzungu alikuwa anaitwa, there was a mzungu there.
Nani?
Dr.
Ni Griffin. Wa Starehe.
Exactly. I think I joined when he already passed on, I think.
Oh, amazing.
Kaenda Alliance kumalizia na Mangu. Agamo somo.
Mbona ulikuwa unafukuzwa kwa hizo shule zingine?
You see, being born and raised, especially uko ghetto, unajua unafikanga high school na mentality bado ya ile ugeto. Alafu sasa huko unakujanga unapatana na watu pia wako na experience kidogo ya life, yani so exposure. Sasa unaleta ugeto.
So zina clash,
kwa nini clash? Nataka kushow mode nini? Wewe unajijua kweli, unajua nimetoka D. Unajua D. Tutakushanda.
Akiwa ni shenya kitambo, gosh, nimezaliwa.
Kushanda, I think it was sahi. I think kushanda si imeinventiwa sahi.
Shande, si ndio hiyo?
But I hope it does not mean negative thing. I always beating.
Kushande.
Nitakushoot.
Nitakushoot.
Shoot.
So I think yeah.
So then after high school, what did you go to college or?
Yeah. I'm an alumni of the UON.
Wow.
You know, many people just see.
They just see you were there.
Then again, not every time every person will just come and you start parading your credentials.
I agree.
But I went to there, but I was passing. Unatokezea hapo Central Police Station, unatokezea gate ya huko, tokezea Chiromo. Si umeenda university au umeenda?
Umeenda bora tu. Umepita tu.
Kuna gate hapa Central. Lao kuna nyingine inatokezea huko highway, Uhuru Highway.
Mimi hata ni funny thing GK. Everybody knows that I went to the University of Nairobi. Kisa na maana is because tunaona ulikuwa ukitoka theater, ulikuwa unapitanga katikati ya university to the shortcut. So everyone used to see me inside university nikikata shortcut.
Ukikata shortcut.
So anasema kwa uni anaambia nilikuwa UON.
Kumbe juu unaenda National Theatre.
Unaenda National Theatre ama hapo jioni kuna hiyo chai ilikuwa inaletwa hapo, it was cheaper because ni watu wa university, so it was more affordable. So tulikuwa tunatoka theater, tunakama hapo, tuna line up na watoto wa university, tukichukua chai.
Now funny thing, I also passed through the UON doing. I'm like, si nimeenda uni.
Umeenda uni.
Yeah, I'm there of this school. Alumni.
Exactly.
Aluminium.
Alumni.
Exactly.
Hiyo ingine nataka kusema ni ya sufuria aluminium.
So in short, I'm educated. I went to the university.
Okay.
Went to high school. Went to primary.
Yeah.
Next question.
Mko kama wangapi in your family?
Yeah. Now the funny thing, I'm alone in the family. I was born alone.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
Wazazi wetu hakuna mtu amezaa mtoto mmoja.
Si wanaweza kuwa wajazaa mmoja, yani huko nje labda ako na dhara dodo, matter to confirm. But inside the house, ni fortunately ama ni unfortunately. Hiyo unaweka kwa fortunately ama unfortunately?
It's fortunate. It's good. Yeah,
good because I didn't have any competitor.
Yes.
Sasa wazazi wa kitambo, whether you are alone ama mko there's no difference.
Unajua hata nashanga ukiniambia you are an only child. Vile hapo ulikuwa unatupigia story ya mother. Mother alikuwa anakutandika vizuri. Unatandikaje katoto kako kamoja?
I was telling them, you know, I was the only kid. But hiyo bari zenye inapewa, huyu ananiuliza, kwani hakuwa anaona na risk? Joana mwingine.
I swear.
That one was not risky. Alikuwa na
wewe kivyako?
Yeah, I'm born alone. The only boy.
Nikuje side gani? Au tukuje isai? Na hapa kajua katatutandika.
Hapa sitatutandika.
Hapa mgeni wewe ndio mgeni ukae hapa mali kuna
shida. Ladies, yeah, gentlemen.
I'm telling you, Luo men, check. Can we just be having Luo men? Wanaume mwingine angeniacha tu ni yanike kwa jua.
Kwa hivyo iko kwa ni one run. Ni kukatakata.
Hakuna kukata, hivi tunaendelea tu.
Ninaendelea.
Utaiona hivi kabisa. We are as authentic as can be. So you mean
if you had another man angeacha uchomeke na jua?
Kabisa.
Hata where were they?
Definitely not where you are.
Now back again. So born alone like that. Yeah, I think due to medical issues.
Okay.
Maybe mother had.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually she has.
Yeah.
Yeah, so fortunately, alone. And unfortunately still
Alone.
Yeah.
And then, so at what point did you join, or how did you end up being an artist? Was it like from school ama vile ulitoka ndo ukasema hii theater inakwangana nini, hebu acha niingie?
Now it's funny how I ended up doing this.
Yeah.
But everyone from every interview I always see everyone like saying, I was doing drama in school, in church, in everyone has that.
Everyone has that
Even
background.
Even you
in school I was, in school, Koru Girls.
Koru Girls. I don't think in school I think I was not joking, because even if you ask my teachers, they will tell you this nigga was one serious fellow.
Yeah.
Huyu ni ule material. You know, we believed in books that kama sipati A, there's nothing in life I can do. You know, those kind of students.
Yeah.
So I think I was those ones. Then we had a clique of fellows we were that lazima tupite. Kupita was being equated to being successful in life. You know those mentality while in school.
Yeah.
But you have to make sure you perform very well.
Hata wimbo ilikuwa someni vijana muongeze pia bidii. So, mwisho wa kusoma utapata kazi nzuri sana.
Kama hiyo. Sasa tunaona
unasoma kabisa, unauza smoky.
Now listen, so during the school I was not like that much interested in drama or in content or anything. But every time I would like talk, they would just like, because I would crack a joke in between. But it never hit me.
Yeah, that's you could actually do
that
this.
I could do this. It never hit me. So after high school, university, you know, they say necessity is the mother of invention. So I started like a small business where I had a bar. Hizi mabar za chuo za kanusu. You know, hizi za unakatiwa 30 bob. Wacha tuziite tu wine and spirit, because wengine wanaziita bar, wengine wanaita wine spirit. But me as a proprietor, cause zile za I have a bar. But it could accommodate like 6 people inside. Okay. Now, guess who was my client in that bar?
Oh my God.
Otuol.
The late. Oh.
Otuol used to be here.
Yeah.
Now seeing this is a celeb guy. Wewe si ule jamaa nakuonanga kwa Churchill.
Yeah.
Now you are in my bar. Huyu apewage bure. Ama apewage aweke kwa kitabu ya madeni. So we became friends.
Yeah.
Now he knew now every time he want to drink, he would come
to your bar.
To my bar. And now me being happy that I'm hanging with a celeb, I will give him for free, or I'll put him in a kitabu za madeni. Then I will not even ask him, because huyu ni celeb.
Yeah.
Now every weekend wherever he's going, he would tag me along. So I see other celebs. So Otuol will bring other drunkards. Let me call them celeb. So Otuol used to chill there.
Yeah.
Onjiri and Kasuku.
Yes.
They would come and so I was like, you guys, muna hang hapa na mimi. So people used now to start coming because of him.
Because of them.
Yeah, so I attract fellows who want to see them.
Yeah.
So Messi Naunda to
and they used to crack the
there are jokes, they are making jokes, we are making jokes, we are talking. So one time, I think the Luo Festival, I don't know whether it was the first one or the second, but there was a Luo Festival.
Yeah.
Then sasa mimi ndio bompe hapa, mimi ndio niko na kashilingi. So I hired a car. They didn't know I hired, they thought it was mine. Unatubeba twende? And I say, as long as mimi mutaniingiza. Alafu ni ile section munieke mahali maseleb pia.
Wako.
I'm good. I'll buy the alcohol there, we drink and come back. I'll wait till morning, provided. So Paul picked me up, I picked them wherever we were.
Yeah.
We went to Carnival.
Yeah.
Tukaingia. Now the first guy I'm seeing is the current Langata
MP. Jalas.
Is this you? Here, you know, like the way we're sitting. Then he's greeting Otuol like, Otuol, you are here. So you consider that these are random people to you. Mimi unajua bado nimeshtuka. So I found Mwesh Jalas and Wago Nyiro. One place. So I'm like, now I think now, through Otuol I can meet people I've never met.
Yeah.
People too I see. So when the Jalas greeted me like this, then I felt like, I think I never washed that hand for like a week. I would used to mnigote na hii. Unajua umesalamia nani? Hello bwana. So I was like, okay, after the Luo festival we came. So I was like, now what does it take
to be there?
To be there.
Yeah.
To mingle with those people the way him is mingling with them randomly. So what does it take? Then I'm told there's Churchill doing an interview for the comedians to that live
show.
performance.
Yes, Churchill Live.
And by then it was the big thing. You being seen on Churchill Live. It was big thing.
Very.
So I'm asking Okul, what does it take someone to be there?
Yeah.
He tells me, you have to do an interview. They always do interview. If your jokes are top notch, believe you me, you will be there. So Paul will tell me, can you crack a joke? Then I listen. We start interview from here.
Yeah.
So I will try to make which I've copy pasted.
Yes.
Then he tell me, I don't see you passing. There is one guy called Bear. Victor Bear.
Yeah.
Hi. I don't think you'll even pass that guy. So my friend, wewe watch. So he would break my heart there. Anyway, I would go also see myself back and say, I'm not a stand-up comedian.
No, Joberu unajua alikuwa nakuuliza, niaje ulitumia mlango gani ukikam? Hata nitumie ile. Hiyo ni fiti utatumia tu hiyo bado kutoka.
So he used to give an example of how that nigga used to chase people.
Yes.
So I would, mimi niende kuembasiwa hivyo na wewe jamaa. So the fact that I'll go get embarrassed, mimi
sina kudiscourage.
Na ni discourage too. So I didn't plan even to go. I never went.
Oh, okay.
I never did.
Yeah.
So one guy he's still there. It's called Derep Ruoth. You know Adede?
Yes, I know Adede. Yes.
Adede used to do audios. Then he's taking his static picture. So you listen to his joke.
Yes.
So there's a joke he cracked about going home in December, but he has no house where anaenda kudozi. But ako na dem, na ako na Benz, na ako na pombe. Lakini sana anapigia jamaa home, anamshoni aje, mimi na come home. Na ile keja yangu, keja yako iliangukaga kitambo. Na hiyo jikoni ya shosh, jikoni ya shosh tumeshikilia tu, na tumeisiro. Lakini hata hii haiwezi maliza 2 days. Design mvua inanyesha na huko. Kitambo fike itakuwa
imeanguka.
Alafu anaambia jamaa, basi fanya hivi. Mimi nitakupea na kutumia unaona hiyo Simba yako? Wewe nisprayie vizuri, nisipate mende, nisipate chwarni. Mimi nitadoza hapo. Alafu nikuone kitu, wewe ukadoza kwa center. Because mimi na kama na Benz na niko na baby. Alafu mimi niende nidoze kwa center. Watu wananicheka. You see, the joke was kind of funny.
Very.
People used to wanaicheza sana. So I tell a guy, wacha niongee, because I used to listen na hiyo joke mpaka nikaishika. Wacha nijifanye mimi ndo napiga hiyo simu, wewe ni record. Nataka kujiona tu kwa simu tu. The way I see people on TV, for me I just want to see myself. On that. Hivyo tu.
Yeah.
So the guy shot. Na ikatoka fiti. So mimi niko happy na iwatch. Kumbe this guy, ameisambaza ma WhatsApp group without my knowledge.
Because mulishoot na simu yake.
Na simu yake. So mimi najionanga tu nabambika tu venye the joke.
Kumbe ujue hapa nje video yako spread.
That was kitu saa 4 hivi in the morning.
Yeah.
By the time inafika saa 7, mimi simu zinalia tu. JK ni aje? Because the name JK used to be there.
Yeah.
So they came. Kwani siku hizo umekuwa comedian? Comedian mgani? Nafanya nini? Another call. Aya buda, hii ni noma. Noma gani?
Video nini? What are you talking about?
Utolo gene. JK, unajua imepostiwa na Mwesh Jalas. Imepostiwa na Kode wapi? Instagram mimi hata siko Instagram. Hiyo Instagram mtu anaiwachia wapi? Nitumieni. Wakinitumia link nikipiga huko bado inanipeleka sijui download Instagram. Sasa inabidi na waongoja wao ndo wanifungulia hapo mahali mwenyewe ameipost. Jana ameipost, I want to see. Kama sasa nikaona hii kitu nimeenda viral. So to test how viral hii kitu imeenda. Let me niende kwa kaba fulani nilikuwa naenda hapo other than my bar.
Yes.
So nikaona kaba nyingine ya kwenu. Unajua mdosi alewagi kwa bar yake sasa.
ukuli stock yako.
Ukishaunda hapo unaenda pia kujifanya mdosi kwingine. So I went to that bar. Nione kama is there anyone will recognize me. Si nimepigiwa masimu kama 50 leo. So acha ni test. Na yenyewe true, seated there. You know we did it in Luo.
Yeah.
Kukaa hapo. Mimi naona tu watu wako zile. Ni yeye.
What?
So people will play it.
Na wanakuangalia
Sasa hizo mimi nanyonya bia yangu na confidence. Ni mimi. Mbona mkuji kupiga picha? So one fellow ndo alinipea courage. He came. Yeah, this is you. And he took a selfie.
Yeah.
I say, sasa kuanzia leo mtakuwa mnapiga ma selfie. And I called the other guy who shot it.
Yeah.
You know the favor umenifanyia?
Manze.
Kesho we are in that same place at your house. Shooting those videos on a daily basis.
Yeah.
I don't know where it will lead us, but
let's do it.
We will shoot.
Yeah.
So I started shooting because of fame. Mimi watu wanigote tu.
The fame became before anything else.
I just wanted people to stop me, take a selfie. And that's how it started.
That's so interesting. You know me, nikiwa shule, all I knew is I wanted to be known. I didn't know what I will have done. Whether nitakuwa nimenyonga mtu, nitakuwa nimefanya kitu.
Ulikuwa celebrity.
Mimi nataka tu watu wanijue. Watu tu wakiniona sema, ndio yule dem alimada chali yake.
Be it for no good reason.
Bad reason. I just wanted to be known. So it's so interesting that for you also just wanted to be known. You just wanted people to.
Yeah, that's what. That nigga who just came and took a picture. I don't remember. Video ya kwanza. Hai nigga sasa nikajitembea hivi ni picture. I just wanted to be known. I didn't want anything.
What was your mom's reaction?
Now, funny thing. I've been raised by a very strict mother.
Oh, as you told us.
Very, very strict. That was ni kama alienda training za wabeberu. Hitler.
How do I beat a child?
Huyo amesoma how do I kill a child? My own.
How do I kill my own child?
Without being sued. Now the funny thing, after all that, I thought this mother will call me. Hizi ni ujinga gani umeanza? People started seeing me, taking to her, showing her. So I was expecting my mother to call me and start scolding me.
Yeah.
Up to date, I'm still waiting.
For real?
She has never ever even asked.
And did she ever even commented and said, "Hey, marry me"?
She has never. She has never up to. I'm still waiting the day she will comment.
I can tell you for sure, GK, she watches and she laughs.
Yeah.
And I'm sure hata kuna watu wambe, "Hey, ineno wadi. Una kijana wake ineno mano. Mano orna." Anaangalia na cheka, but she will never give you the glory. I don't know why our parents are like that. Exactly. She will never give you the glory of letting you know that she's happy.
Now that's my problem with her.
Yeah.
Everything I do, I've never seen. She said, that's good.
Yeah.
I say, yeah. So up to date, she has never asked me.
Yeah.
She has never or commented or say negative or any positive.
Yeah.
The way she kept quiet. And now is the way I say now, kama mother ni kama whether apendi, mimi sitaki kujua.
Bora amenyamaza iko sawa.
Actually, people who surround me, my loved ones, no one ever criticized, so it gave me motivation to continue.
Oh, to continue.
Yeah.
So did you actually realize or know that this is actually what I want to do and this is what I will do? Or you are doing it on the side as you wait for greener pastures?
I remember I was a businessman with a kachuo, kubeba kanusu, and kanusu zile za 30 bob. In between also I was, I don't want to say smuggling.
But say smuggle. Just say smuggle. Don't be afraid.
Kubeba makaa. You know, makaa it's still illegal up to that.
Yes.
So I used to carry them side of. But now, when I sat down seeing Otolo people doing advert, then sasa si watu washanijua jua. Now I'm like, na hizi sasa advert, how do you guys get there?
Yeah.
So meaning I need to shift now to make this a permanent job. Because Makio was seeing you also.
Yeah.
I was seeing other people.
Yeah.
And I would ask Otul, hii ndo kazi inalea nyinyi watu Nairobi. Then Makio on the other side, Mheshimiwa Jalas from radio, unaona ako kwa ukiamuka unapata ako kwa Serviette, ako kwa Kiwi, ako Naivas, ako Safaricom. People are like,
kila mahali.
So nigga is bagging.
Yeah.
Hii bag ni mzito. We need to share.
Yeah.
So now I started learning and making it now my like permanent job. Yeah. So as much as I would do other thing on the side, but now I would give it much concentration.
Have you ever posted a video maybe na unajua manze hii inaenda kukua noma? Because it happens to me a lot even now. And so I tell myself, Jackie, don't look too much at the comments and everything. Yes, it's a good thing when you put a video and it has maybe more than 100, over 100 comments, you feel good. But also don't feel bad ikiwa 30 ama ikiwa 20. Hao watu 20 ama watu 5,000 au wenye wameview, hao ni watu wako. Have you ever posted a video na unajua hii inaenda kutembea and then it's just
ina flop.
It flops.
Mbaya sana. Not once, not twice. Up to date. Hata jana niliweka ingine nikisema hii nakula. Mpaka sasa naona iko na 2 comments. Ni 2 ama ni 3. But as you said, you know when you get into this circle, unakujaga na hiyo hype mingi. Mpaka nijulikane ile kila vida napiga ni noma. Inakula. So with the time unalearn kuna za kukula, kuna zenye si za kukula. Especially hizi zenye unakwanga umepanga, yani umechorea script, umeita cameraman, reflector. Yani ni full production. Haikulangi. Watu wanapenda zile za ocho, ukiona tu hizi za kinawinja unaona sasa hii na ameenda tu kwa kile kibanda na amesimama na kuongea unaona ala. But hii yenye tu ulikuwa tu unatembea tu the idea. Awilo, Tebu, nasema hivi useme hivi. Unplanned one. Yes. Inaenda. Totally. So Lulu, I hope you're thinking about something. Leo lazima nifanye moja. Mbogi ndio hii, si ndio? Hii yenye tunapanga itakula. Tutaitimia wakati hamjapanga. So those ones they're there. They depress sometimes. But if you learn the way you say it, those 10 who believed, like the 2 I'm saying who commented, or 10 on the real ones. I agree. Those are people who are with you for better, for worse. For worse. Exactly. Tell me about like maybe waking up one day and just found trend for the wrongest reason, and what is the biggest thing that umeamka ukapata una trend for such a bad thing mpaka ikakustress? To be honest with you, ama mimi ni mtu nashikwaga na stress hapo. So I think if there was any negative thing wangesema kunihusu, I think sahi ningekuwa nimequit. But I try as much as possible never to get myself on the wrong side of the social media. Not on the wrong side of the government. Outside. Because those ones can make you go home. But there's a time you said you're a co-husband. Or it was just a story? I'm a co-husband till now. But that is no story. That's how Luos are. We are co-husbands, co-wives. We have no, those ones are co-girlfriends, co-boyfriends. Those ones are there. So that was no negative. That is life of a Luo man. So tell me about your family, your loved ones, familia yako. I'm a blessed married man. Why mbona una ring? Hao waring wana lastingi pia. Sinadhaningi hao waring naona wakifika kwa bawa no. Anaitwa naika kwa mfuko. Ananyonya, akitoka nje tena ni kama akifika kwa gate ndo anairudisha ni kama ring inampeaga stress. Hata siku hizi we just look for the mark. Naangalia nasema kumbe niko na mark. Si unajua hiyo ring inachanga kimark. So amekukatia kwa ba na hana ring, unaangalia unasema kumbe kimetoa ng'ombe hii. Na mimi nataka kunyonya hizi hela zake atashanga. So ring does not qualify a good husband or a good lady. Does not define. But I'm a married man. Okay. Blessed with a beautiful wife. How many years? Now, kwa hiyo marriage. Tuko. Tunaenda 9. Oh, okay. You're young. Well, no, that's good enough. That's good enough. Yeah, because I know a marriage that lasted 3 months. 3 months. Here. We are not talking about far. It was a big wedding. So, acha jamaa analipa loan. It was a big, analipa loan kabisa. Yeah. Kulea kanisa. I know, man. Yeah. No. So 9 years. 9 years. Children's. For a Luo man, you can't count the number of children, but I'm blessed with good children. Looking for more. Amen. We don't count numbers. Yeah. And the more the wealth, the more the children. I love it. Yeah, the more the wealth, the more the children. Mimi sina hii ati wadosi wako na mtoto mmoja. So Mungu akikuelevate tu gari yako badilisha tu. Hii ukiona tu iende kwa range, jua hiyo range na mtoto mwingine wanaambatana. What am I looking there for?
Yeah.
More kids will enjoy. I told you I'm alone, so.
Yeah, so you want more.
So I need a team.
Yeah. Maybe that's so interesting because for me, sisi ni watoto wa sita, born of my mother and father, and then the relatives that we lived with. Like there are times when in our house you would find tuko watoto kama 11, 12 children. Na ni kanyumba ka 2 bedroom. So of course bedroom moja si ni ya baba na mama. Hizi bedroom ingine mpaka kwa sitting room ni nyinyi mna banana. Na sasa unajua kama ni kwa sitting room melala kwa sitting room lazima by 6 mmeamka mwanze kusafisha.
Exactly.
So you don't sleep enough. So I think maybe when it comes to wewe ni mzaliwa wa familia kubwa, as you grow you want a space for yourself. You know? Na sisi wenye tulikuwa na watu wengi kwa nyumba hatutakangi hata tu wageni kila saa. Mgeni amekuja kikaa siku moja unamza form. So unaenda when. We really value that space because we never got it then. Like mzazi wako hata kwa anaweza kukubaia chipo. Like wezi tu kumwambia daddy nibaie chips. Atakuuliza so when I buy for you what happened to this other?
What are these ones?
So ukimagine budaka na buy packets 13 za chipo ndo nyi wote mkule. Unasema tu you know what? Let that dream just die. So I think that's so interesting because you are an only child and now you want to fill your space with.
Want to feel it, but no space with other relatives. The way you're saying, one space with me and my kids.
With you and your kids. Do relatives ever come to visit and sleep? Mother hata ni different.
Wewe kuja lala kesho amuka.
Enda.
Unaenda ulikuja kufanya nini?
Na usingoje mpaka lunch.
Lunch man.
Breakfast go.
My friend, na tunaingia na wewe. Si tunaingia unanitangulia. Nikitoka kwa bar, hiyo masaa namaliza bar, wewe tunaingia lala. Kesho nikiamuka umera twende bwana. Ulikuwa unaenda wapi? Town fair.
Ndio hiyo.
Yeah, tumemalizana.
All the best.
All the best. I wish you, man. See you on the other side.
Yeah. And your wife, is she's not of this industry, is she?
She's not.
Does she enjoy what you do? Does she love?
She has to because now this is where the bride is coming from, man.
Yeah.
So she has to be my supporter hapo. Shika camera tupige hii, niko na idea. Even my kids now.
For real?
The video my kid recorded.
Yeah.
Actually 2.
Yeah.
I'm just like, we mama yenyu yuko tebu, unaweza shika hii camera? No stingy. Say, I know. See now you do it, I know.
You do.
Video ilikula.
Wacha.
Let me show you by proof.
Yeah. Hizo ni mikono za mtoto ndo zilileta baraka.
Hizo mikono za mtoto?
When you were blessing
Manchester United. Now that's the key.
Did so well.
Yeah, I did well.
Yeah, I did really well.
Very nice. So nice. They are also in this industry in one way or the other.
Yeah.
Supporting their papa.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Do you feel like any of them will get into this industry? Ukiona Kitigigi
Timbege. Now you know the funny thing, which I came to realize with every parent, unless you are doing these professional jobs, these so-called white-collar jobs, then you find a parent, I want you to be engineer.
Yeah.
You will be a lecturer.
Yeah.
Because I remember what they wished for me never happened. So with me, I say, whatever they will choose to do, let them do.
Yeah.
If they say this one is better, I'll support.
Yeah.
Provided it's your negative mambo ingine.
Kweli.
I cannot be so strict to a kid that nataka kuwe lawyer. No, we grew up with different passions.
Yeah, if she decides she wants to be an artist.
I wanted to be that engineer.
Yeah,
Itwange engineer GK. Ikipita hivyo naona engineer amepita. I wanted to be a lawyer, a wakili. The fun thing, I wanted to be in the media anyway.
Okay.
That's why when you mentioned Helen, I was like, oh, the Helen one.
Yeah.
You know why that name clicked back?
Yeah.
I could not watch news without seeing Esther Arunga. Leo ni Arunga wako hapo? Kama si Arunga wanawacha hiyo news ikae.
No, she did that to a lot of us.
Yeah?
She was a beautiful face to look at.
Beautiful plus the English.
Yes.
Yeah, the views. My name is Esther Arunga, I'm reporting KTN. Sijui Katakoso.
Yeah.
That's one.
Hata usikii kitu anasema.
Mimi sikutaka kusikia anasema.
Her lips moving and her. Yeah.
Then another nigga comes Timberlake, sijui Timberland.
Timberlake.
When we meet in heaven, I have to deal with that Timberland kwanza. Timberlake, mabari kwanza.
No, alikosea Wakenya wengi sana.
Mimi kwanza nilikosea huyo jamaa.
Sana.
you took a lady, then you misled her like that.
Yeah, na kaenda tu nakapotea and things just happened the way they did.
The way you're saying, tell him if Timbaland is his friend when we meet.
Imagine, it's so interesting. Mimi nakwambia sasa ukiona story ya Helen akiongea kuhusu hiyo story, yani so much information was misconstrued because we looked at Helen and we were all pointing fingers at him and thinking that you're the one who hooked up. He even says, I even tried to talk to her and told her, let's take your time. You really don't know this guy. Dema namwambia mimi niko poa. Mimi niko poa, huyu ndo naenda naye.
Veil Kipara tumelaunch.
Nani Kipara?
Yeah, Wealth.
Hii ni airport kabisa.
JKIA.
Uwanja wa ndege.
Uwanja paruwanja.
So apart from, and this is something that a lot of artists we get asked, like, what else do you do, or how else do you fill up your earnings? Because as an artist, kuna time tu mambo tu ni mbaya. Utangoja hata uone hata nini, maybe umeitwa na a brand, a name like a client to represent a brand on social media, and it doesn't happen for a long while. Na sisi kama wasanii, that is where we get something extra, you know. So how do you deal with when things are just dry in the industry?
To be honest, you see, before all this, I was employed. I was employed, you know, when Ukwala was Ukwala.
Ukwala supermarket.
Tulikuala, you know that jokes Mweshe and Captain Otoyo used to give ati tuliingia na Wilo. Ukwala. Now you guys never kuala Ukwala. There are no kuala Ukwala. I was employed there.
Yeah.
Apo, the place is called Afya Center.
Yes, it was there. Yeah.
That branch.
Yes.
Now I was employed there. I used to be a casual there. Now, casual of that time and casual of this are different. Casual of sahi, I think analipwa utasikia ngirimbao a month. But casual then, we used to be paid. Every weekend used to be paid. Every weekend?
Every weekend.
And it was 7,000. 7,000. This nigga is not paying any house. And he's staying with the mama. So mimi madhe wena kudunga dhao, mimi na sunda zingine. Ni hivyo.
Sherehe.
No. Sikuwa sherehe vile pia. But anyway, sherehe pia ikaanza in between. Hapo Sabina Joy walikula Prado yangu. Sasa ningekuwa na V8. Hapo converted Prado to V8. Hapo Sabina Joy walikula Prado yangu. Whoever the proprietor is.
Ajue.
Wamujue mlikula Prado yangu hapo. Live and direct. So I used to work. So in working, I'm blessed with the mother, parents who knows how money conscious you can be. So in here, I was taught one or two things.
Okay.
Remember, nikakwambia niko na biashara. Moved from one business to another. So let me say, I'm a businessman, as many other businessmen say.
Okay.
So I have ways of surviving here and there. As I wait for this one.
Yeah, as you wait for this one.
Yes.
And I was somewhere the other day and asked a very interesting question. When things don't work for artists, tunapata msanii maybe amekufa ama amekuwa mgonjwa na anaomba msaada, like they have nothing to their name at all and they've been artists for such a long while. Who is to blame?
Well, you see, life is a very funny thing, Today you are up, tomorrow you are down. Today you are the talk to one in town. Deals chasing you here and there. And we ni mtu mso sana. You know, how wengine, the viewers, the assumption is the more you trend, the more the money.
I agree.
But they don't know that you might trend but empty pockets.
I agree.
At the same time.
Totally.
Jina yako ni bigi huku. It does not equate the cash.
Yes.
It does not equate the money.
Yeah.
It doesn't. So today when an artist come and say, yes, mimi niko kwa shida manze, muniokole. One, you should understand this guy, hii ndo wenye alikuwa tu ametegemea. He didn't have any other job.
Yeah.
Akili yake, nguvu yake yote
ameweka hapo.
With hope or with view that nitaomokea hapa, nitapata kitu hapa. But many people do not understand. Unaweza kuwa umepiga hii shughuli miaka 10 na hata hujaiona hata shilingi hata moja. But that fire that one day itajipa, let me keep on. That's what make people moving, especially the artist.
Yeah.
So whenever you see an artist coming and saying, "Manze, mimi muniokole." Wewe tuma tu kitu tu.
Ukiweza we muokole.
Tuma tu because sometimes it's hard. Mtu amejisukuma amepiga hii shughuli lakini IGP.
And people will ask you, so why can't you do something else? And sometimes an artist will look at,
do something else with what?
What else am I supposed to do? Because your heart, your mind, your body, your soul, it's in this. Like, if I'm not an artist, then I'd rather not be anything else. Then afadhali ni die bas.
It is when I started doing it, is when I noted I realized that people, kuna wenye wamepea life yao to the industry. Unajaribu kumwambia, can you do this? They sleep, they wake, they eat, they do art tu ndo iko. I've heard you talking about National Theatre. Do you know, the more, I told you I'm born and bred around here, Nairobi.
Yes.
But you know, I came to know, hiyo National Theatre iko hapo.
Yeah.
Now, siku yenye tunachangia utuo. When we are meeting there, is when I'm like, oh, so hii kitu inakuwaga hapa kando.
You're not serious.
Then, I came to realize that many people started from there. Doing set books.
Yes.
So I'm like, nigga, mulikuwa muna survive aje your time?
Ilikuwa noma.
Wanasema we used to come here, wait.
Yeah.
I'm like, enyewe mulikuwa na patient. Why it me, I would have quit.
You would have quit, yeah. And a lot of people did. But I'm also just one of those people who never quit. Ulikuwa mnaenda kufanya set book, tuseme mmenda Kisii, mmenda kwa mashule Kisii. Then maybe the first 3-4 schools, things are good, the audience is full, the students have paid. The next day you go to a certain school, mzazi mtoto amekuja na mayai 3, hana pesa, hana hiyo 150, ye yuko na mayai 3. You won't send them away. Amekuja na gorogoro ya mahindi, but they want to watch the river and the source. Unachukua. So you would leave, mko na mahindi, mko na mayai, but hamna acha pesa ya lodging where you guys were putting up. You don't have. So you find yourselves mkijiambia, okay, so sahi tutalipia rooms 3. So hizi rooms tutalala watu wa 7. Tusema ina noma. Kesho itajipa. The next day, tena mnaenda. Sasa hata imepungua zaidi. Watu ya $1 lakini wanataka kuwatch. But we used to do the play. Na mko Kisii. Mukimaliza sasa hata hizi rooms 3 hamna do. Tuwajiambia cheki, so guys leo tuko na room moja. Sema hiyo ndo tulipe. Mnapata watu 21 tuko kwa room tunapiga story the whole night. Inafika mpaka mali now you're being hosted by the church. Mnaenda kwa kanisa waambia cheki pastor, so sisi tumetoka Nairobi, sini wasanii. You know, the church hosts you, but still you will go the next day because it's in your blood.
It is now from that National Theatre there. Then I realized yenyewe kumbe sisi usanii, you know, doing it on the camera like this, I have many years doing it. Then I'm realizing yenyewe nyinyi mumesafa.
Yeah.
Mimi nimesafa kushoot, lakini nyinyi mumesafa kungoja.
Kabisa.
You guys had patience.
Yeah.
They will tell me, you will come here at 7. And you don't know whether utapata hiyo chance ya kuperform hapo.
Yes.
Sasa you have to wait. So I would ask, na pesa mnapata aje? Ama hizi advert unasema aje? Then they tell me the agency or people who are interested in their job to be advertised would come there. Then again, you panga line for auditions.
Yes.
Sasa nasikia wewe ishia. Sometimes hata wako wanapata wenye wana. I'm like, yeah, you guys really did it well.
Sasa kuna ingine. Hiyo umesema hiyo mpaka kanikumbusha. Ukweli kabisa, there's an agency that has come, there's a very big advert that's coming up. So wasanii tumekuja wengi, we want to do this audition. Yule mtu uko behind the camera na kuangalia hivi anaona huyu sasa hata kuna mali anaenda. Lakini anajifanya turn on camera na kurecord. Hey, state your name. My name is Jacqueline Nyaminde. I am an artist. So I want you to talk like a mother who is crying. Unafanya audition sema, wow, that's good. Can you do another one? Hakuna kitu anarekoda na kuangalia tu hivi. Akimaliza, thank you very much. We'll give you a call. That was amazing. Forget. That's it.
Maze umepiga. Umedengo.
Umepiga noma.
Wow. Tunacheza kure. Alafu babo lingine ama mucus inatoka
puya.
Unaichapa kukuta.
Kamera iko off.
Wewe mwenye ulikuwa unafanya hivyo wherever you are.
Akina ukweli anajua. Ndio vile sitaki kumtaja. Hata itamfikia.
No my.
Yeah.
That was purpose.
Yeah.
Allow me to congratulate you on behalf of the other.
Thank you.
Mimi nimejipicture kwa hiyo, and I've given up.
Yeah.
So when you see a big guy who was once big and coming online and let me put it, crying and asking for help, it doesn't hurt you on that pay bill, that till, that number, sending a 10 bob.
Yeah.
Because in Luo we say, don't laugh.
Yeah. Leo unalala mwisho wa kitanda,
leo unalala hapa, kesho uko mwisho. Life is like that.
And that is how life
is. Today is yours.
Yeah.
Wacha venye naona mimi mingine nasema ati leo ni wewe, kesho ni mimi. Ati hakuna kesho, bado ni wewe. Ni mimi, but life rotates that.
Yeah, life rotates that way. Yeah. And also sometimes I say, you don't know the responsibilities this person has.
Exactly.
Behind all of this.
Exactly.
There are people who are taking care of their sick parents, sick children. So hata akipata inaingia hivi ikitoka hivi, inaingia ikitoka hivi. So wakati amefika mwisho mpaka naomba msaada, ukweli amefika mwisho.
I've seen people with burden.
Yeah.
To an extent hata wewe unapiga magoti unasema, thank God I don't have that burden.
Yeah.
Because were it me,
you don't know how you'd have done it.
Manze, you're trying to figure out how unalemewa in between. So if you see someone coming online, and stop judging at wewe ulikuwa juzi tulikuwa na advert nyingine big.
Yes.
Those adverts you see, hata hao si wajinga wa kuomoshe for a lifetime.
Ati na aka advert kamoja
uomoke ukiendanga. No. Wanakusustain tu. Na iko hii pesa umepewa pia, there's responsibility behind.
Also,
so inaisha, pesa huisha. Ama ni gani yaishi?
Pesa huisha. So what keeps you relevant? Because you've been umekuwa kwa the social media as a content creator for a while. What is that has kept you? There's someone who's watching na nashindwa say maintain aje hizi miaka zote, and all the harshness that comes with social media and everything, with trends changing and everything. What is that has kept you till now?
Only 2 factors. 2. That impetus, that's giving me the urge to move, to trudge on. 1, I told you, my parents never asked me. Kwamba now, whatever you are doing, hii unaona ni upuzi. Yeah? Given my paps, very strict fellow, doing something.
Yeah.
They've never come like, hii ni ujinga sasa umeanza. Iko mtu ameng'ang'ana kupiga hapa.
Kukupigia?
They have never like asked me. So 1, kama nyenye mujai niuliza, hii kwanza ni moral. Now first that drives me, they have never asked me.
Yeah.
That's 1. 2, remember I told you I just wanted to be known.
Yes.
So sitting down ati nitapita hii street hakuna mtu ananisalamia, hi GK.
Inaweza kukupatia stress.
Mimi nipite aseme tunamjua. You know that guy?
Yeah.
Hey, that one still keeps me going. I still want to be known.
You,
I still want to be known. Bado sijajulikana.
Yeah.
I had one day Diamond Platnumz telling in an interview that he was so known in Tanzania, but when he stepped out of Tanzania, I don't know, they went in South Africa, I don't know, Nigeria to perform. Then he's at the airport. Then no one is greeting him. No one is even bothering about him.
Kila mtu kwa shughuli yake.
Yes, his manager, Babu Tale. Kwani huko hawatujui? Nasema ni kama huko hawatujui, hawatutambui. Mimi na kule East Africa, Babu, kila mtu anataka tu a piece of me. Huko wanijui? Buda huko hawakujui. So he's saying in that interview, he tested one guy who was selling something. That, hello, how are you? I'm fine. Do you know me? The guy is like, and who are you? The guy is saying he got mad when he came back to his country. He started shooting videos that would make him be known to other countries.
Yeah.
These days, you see, he's walking even in the US. People know him.
People know him.
So I'm also in this journey.
Yeah.
I also want to be known.
To expound your boundaries.
Expound.
Yeah.
As much as that, we enjoy what we do. I love, if someone comes to me and say, do you know, you make my day.
Yeah.
I'm like, I've killed you in one way or the other.
Yeah, true.
So when someone comes and respond that, you make me happy.
Yeah.
I want that.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. There's an incident that happened. I was invited in a certain launch. And you were there too.
Okay.
Then, according to that launch, how it was publicized, whoever invited us, people thought that is the person, is the main guy of that,
the event.
of the whatever was being launched.
Yeah.
Undo mwenyewe. I was there, you were there, many celebs were there.
Yeah.
And whoever invited me brought the inviting card to my doorstep. And ni msanii mkubwa mbeka niko za kwani, how important am I to be invited in this sherehe? Mpaka wewe umeleta.
Manzi.
Na akaleta tena na ka bottle, yeah? Please come.
Oh, yeah.
Are you quickly?
Yes, I'm putting two together.
I'm like, Mama mumelipwa, mulete, but anyway, but I must be important still.
Yes.
But acha niende.
Yeah.
So with me, I also knew hii ni ya huyu. Ana lodge. So I was there. So unaona wasanii ni wakubwa, but I've always considered myself small. So wherever wasanii are, mi huwezi nipata na hiyo mbwa kini inagotiana.
Yeah, tumeenda kwa hii meza, umeenda kwa hii meza.
I'm still seated knowing that is Awilo. What has Awilo done to be here? I'm still doing all those research, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm seated. So a fellow comes, ask me, what will you drink? I'm like, you know, I'm not that much exposed, especially. Unajua ni mzai, you do this. Wewe nichanganyie kenye unaona itani favor. Bora tumbo isiume. Then the guy knows, I know your taste. Then he comes back. And me champagne. Mi kijana naye naishika, mimi nimefika bana. Mupasho, people are there, Ofweneke was
all
there.
The blogs
people are there. Big people are there.
Yeah.
So me I enjoy nikismile. I'm also important. Then that comes again. The mzai comes again. Are you okay? Can I serve you more? I'm like, my friend, I think I'm disturbing you. Mi sina mambo mingi. Wewe shughulikia hawa. Wache mambo mingi. I'm okay. Then he comes and sit next to me. Then he say, you know, I'm very happy to see you around here.
Wow.
Then I'm asking him, na si utafutwa kazi ukipiga story. Nani anifute? I'm saying, kwa nini huwezi futwa? See, you are just serving, I don't want to call him a waiter, because if this is your video, but I had to consider him the waiter. Then he tells me, no, hao wote wako hapa sababu yangu. I'm the owner. I'm like, wait a minute, what did you say? He said, no, it's just for, we gave whoever we gave for ndo nyinyi mukuje.
Yeah.
And I was specific. You have to be here.
Wow.
I had, kama ungekuwa hapa, au wengine pia wangekuwa.
Oh, amazing.
I'm like, are you sure?
Yeah.
I say, yeah, I'm the boss. So you mean I make you that happy?
Yeah.
He say, I always just watch you. Watching you satisfies my soul. So while this was being organized, I say, you have to be here.
Yeah.
And now, if there's one person or two, if I can do this, make another person happy like that.
It would make you happy.
That's the motivation behind it.
That's interesting that when you meet people out there, that's when you actually realize the impact that you make in people's lives. Yeah. Exactly. And if anything, it should humble you more than anything.
Sasa hizo unaona niko humble.
Uko humble.
Nimeonyesha pride.
Hauna pride. Yonge.
The boy is very humble.
Yeah.
Very humble.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Imagine hapa tunaga story mingi.
Tunapiga tu hivi tu. Tunaendelea. You ask. This is me. Uliza zote.
Tunapiga tu hivi tukiendelea.
So that was one.
Yeah.
Second one was I was invited to be MC. The guy has never been an MC. Ushaitiwa kazi mpaka sasa unashindwa. Hii mnafanyaga aje? Unaanza
na unasema yes I can, lakini how you can't.
Unajua ni pake, umesikia pake yenye umebageni ikafika. Then unasema sasa hii pake nitaiacha juu kitu sijui. Hai kitu mpaka nijue overnight. Neno Google Ofweneke. You never always considered 3 guys best MCs in this town.
Yeah.
One, you know, Mheshimiwa Jalazi used to hype.
Yes.
Hype. Akakula mashow kama zote.
Kabisa.
Then Ofweneke.
Yes.
Then Ogaobina.
Aha.
So I'm like, wali MC wapi? Wa MC mtu anafanyanga aje, unapiga intro aje nini?
Yeah.
So the fellow calls me, hello, the lady. I want you to be MC for my husband graduation. I'm like, madam, I'm sorry, but I don't do MCing. I said, no. I'll disappoint you. I've never done. But now because you are interested, allow me to first learn. Yeah. But now ikazi tafuta mtu mwingine. I think alikuwa ananishangaa na shindo huyu anaacha pesa. But you know, this is something I've never done. And I also feared to disappoint the client. Nifike nianze ku flop hapo, iende. But I'll insist. Wewe kuja tu, hata kama ujui. We rather look for another one.
Lakini wewe ukue.
But you have to be there.
Yeah.
Then I went ahead and asked her, why are you insisting on me?
Yeah.
Because there are many big people you can choose.
Yeah.
Then he said, no. I want you to be as a surprise to my husband. Oh, surprise. What the husband has to do with me? Mnataka kunipackage kama moya dance muni represent. Kama surprise. He said, no. Every time my husband gets in the house,
yeah,
after he just sat on the couch,
yeah,
the first person that nigga watches
is you.
Is GK. And he would laugh, show me GK. So, being his graduation, I want you to come. But kuje kama surprise, wakati sasa ko pale ndo pia unatokelezea. I really did research for like 1 month ya UMC. And now, thanks God, hata hizo MC ninapata siku hizi. And
how did that one go? Did it go well?
Now, I took Odiero Jamjengo with me. Told him, nigga, I'll be doing, lakini nikilemewa.
Unaingia.
Actually, it was him to go do.
Yeah.
So we were sitting. Yeah, now after the pastor meomba, Odiero, take the mic, man, take the mic. Then Odiero said, introduce to, then unipe mic. Do you know the way I started introducing myself? I didn't know even how it flowed. Mimi nikaona Gizo Odiero ananiambia sasa uliniitia ni si unaona umeifanya hata umeimaliza. And from that day up to date.
Yeah, you do MCing as well. Yeah, I saw that.
You saw that?
Nikona Victor someone Gmail.
Yo.
Yeah.
Victor? Yeah, that's my Gmail. Yeah.
That's your Gmail. Yeah, exactly. Angalia hata hajui email yako.
Ni venye tu client huyo pia alikuwa anaitwa Victor, nikadhani umesema ulienda kwa page.
All right, so thank you so much, GK. What are your real names? Wajana kutafuta real names sioni na mimi si ni mabese na mwi kuita tu GK.
Simu nitumia hata pesa ya confirm.
I knew he was going to say that.
Some dollars will do, some thousands will do.
A few thousands here and there.
Thousands.
Mimi naweza kukutumia shilingi 10.
You know, I mentioned my name in a certain interview. Sasa siku hizi naona kila mtu tu ananiita na jina yangu.
Ambayo ni?
Mpaka I'm like, for anyone to call me with that name. Huyo ni mtu ananijua mpaka ndani ya nyumba. So siku hizi naona mtu tu ananiita na jina yangu. I'm like, do you know me from somewhere?
Yeah, because it can't be from this space.
Everyone calls me with GK.
Yeah,
everyone calls me.
Everyone, yeah.
But my official name, ladies and gentlemen, one and only, Odede Victor.
Odede Victor.
Exactly.
Where did GK come from? GK Serikali.
GK comes from, you see where I was working?
Yeah.
Hapo Ukwala. Hiyo ni 2010. 2010 hiyo Ukwala.
Na wewe ni mzae mtu wangu.
Ukwala tulikuwa mpaka 2012 hapo.
Wewe ni mzae.
Mzae wapi?
2010.
Mtoto ya Serelak tu ni
2010, that's 16 years ago.
Ndo nikifanya kazi. Sasa nilikuwa tukapienga.
Hakuna.
Nilikuwa shikes your best kapienga. Kufanya. Now this name came. Unajua those time Wahindi ndo wako kwa hizo supermarket.
Yes.
Then hapa Nyayo Stadium there was another branch. Yes, Ukwala hapo Nyayo inaangaliana na Stadi.
Yes.
So Gor Mahia, whether they win, whether they lose, they had to barricade that road Nyayo mpaka waingie Tao kufanya hooliganism waharibu. You remember that time?
Yes, I remember.
The government was so strict on them.
Yeah.
Because whether washinde wasishinde watakuja.
Lazima kutakuwa na uharibifu wa mali.
Then in period of time when spirits I think zilikuwa kidogo. So kwa super pombe ilikuwa inauzwa kwa super. So hao majamaa wakikuja kuharibu Tao wangeingia kwa hii super.
Yes.
Kubeba euro tupombe wanunue. So one guy used to come. Specifically angekuja kwa hiyo tili yenye niko. Omera huko hapa na Gor inacheza. Juu unaogopa Muhindi. Mimi niko kazi bana. We are not friends. I don't support football. I was not a fan of football, but fan of Gor Mahia by virtue. I'm a Luo man.
Yeah.
But sijaienda game yoyote. So the guy would come there to angrily like twice. Anarusha hiyo Safari King. It used to cost anairusha na madharau hapo. Nifungie. Na next time nikikuja hapa na GK inacheza na huko hapa, tutafunga hii duka. Every Luo should be at the stadium na tunafunga barabara, serikali mpaka ijue JK iko. Kuna JK ingine. So he meant Gor Kogalo. Gor serikali. Sasa siku moja tu akakuja tu happy tu. JK serikali. Nifungie hiyo. So Muhindi was behind me. So Muhindi aka assume hiyo ndo nickname yangu. So the next day Muhindi ako, wapi ile JK? Wapi ile serikali? Nilikuwa nataka kuona wapi JK. So people started calling me like that. And I felt nice. Now it's stuck.
Yeah, and it's stuck.
Yeah.
And it's a name that resonates very well with what we do. You know, also when it comes to, especially when you're a creative or you're an artist, the name that you choose really matters.
It don't matter.
You just can't have a plain name. Yeah. It has to be a name that when people mention wanajua yenyewe hii ni jina ya kisanii. Yeah, so JK Serikali is really nice.
Kawaongezea hapo the government himself.
I love it.
Many people misconstrued it with the government.
Yes.
But I want to tell you publicly, that name I got even before the government itself. Exactly.
It's got nothing to do with the government.
It's got nothing to do with it. It's Gor Kogalo. Gor Sirkal.
Gor Sirkal.
So JK Sirkal. Exactly.
Thank you.
And you, how did you end up with the
Will Broda?
Will Broda Willow?
Honestly, this is one of those things that I'll say maybe Papa left me with. Maybe it was an aunt of his or it was someone who Ushago. But when he was getting the cast for Papa Shirandula, he just said, when you will brother.
When you will brother.
Na hawa mandugu zako watakuwa nakuita Awilo.
Awilo.
So akina Jalas walikuwa naniita Awilo.
Now you see, let me tell you. That period of time. Unajua nyinyi ndio mlikuwa mko kwa TV.
Kabisa.
Papa Shirandula.
Kabisa.
Then Awilo. Awilo being the lovely wife, auntie, mother. Huyu mzee yako mnakimbizana. We used to wait for you guys.
For real.
Alafu ukaleta sasa mandugu zako sijui ni makazini zako.
Mandugu.
Otos, Jalas.
Walichafua. Walichafua.
Now one episode stuck my mind yo, sijui ni huko na duka. You used to come hapo kwa duka. Wewe saa zote ni Otos, Jalas. Now wako tu Awilo. So you also did great.
Yeah. I remember them coming na wanasema, ni wagonjwa wako pabaya, ni wagonjwa. Sasa mtakula. Labda utupatie tu soda lita moja na makati moja.
Awilo tumeona moto. Tumesijui wametembea kutoka Kawangware mpaka wapi. Actually, that team inspired me a lot. You see the accent of Luo?
Yes.
To be honest, unaona Otos. I've always tried to behave as Otos
does.
Yeah. I've watched that fellow's clips over and over.
Yeah.
Till comedy, I think kama 5-6 za kunieka hiyo level, I would pick from his joke.
Yes.
Then I convert it to video. Then tunaend.
It would be so good to have Otos on this show. Jalas, of course, definitely when he has time, I know that he will come. But what is so interesting is my relationship when it started with Otos, tulijuana theater, na sikuwa nampenda. Nilikuwa naona kuna kimbelembele sana. So sikuwa hata namuongelesha. In fact, nilikuwa nashindwa mvulana yote mbenga tu. And then he used to walk very fast.
Even now I think you walk like
that. Very fast. So kila saa nilikuwa mimi nimekuja rehearsal, niko na scripts zangu. Ye hana script, hana kitu yote, anatembea tu hapo theater. So I used to know that he's an idler. Mimi nilikuwa najua Otoyo ni idler hapa theater, sisi ndio watu tuko serious hata tukiingia. Ukiniona kutoka huko kwa gate because the restaurant is pale juu. So watu wamekaa kwa restaurant. Unatembea kutoka kwa gate uko na ma script, watu wanajua yenyewe huyu yuko na majob, huyu ameiva. Yeye yuko tu. Then one day our director, I think it was Joel Otuko, says I'm going to call you guys someone who is going to act this part just to show you how acting is done. So he's just going to coach you. Then guess who comes in?
Otoyo. Otos, captain.
I'm like him atafanya this idler.
Huyu achomangi.
My friend. Watch her act. Hey, I was like,
group of school.
Nikajiambia, God, I'm sorry. He was so amazing. He actually ended up taking that role. Yeah, when we were doing Q, it was a book called Q. And that is how we ended up being friends.
He's like fellow I was in school with.
Yeah.
Mbele, shule, kwa form 1, kwa form 2. Asomi, lakini siku wenye tu wana announce result. And number 1 is, his name is Frederick Ojuka, he's a teacher. Number 1, Frederick Ojuka. Now we're like, nigga,
He doesn't even read.
So man, ufanya kazi ni kurandaranda from one class to another.
Na wewe unaingiza mpaka miguu kwa basin.
Manze sisi tulikuwa unaona ile prep ya watu wanaenda hiyo dining. Sisi hatuendi. Tuko na click ya watu 3. Hatutasoma mpaka saa 2. Mpaka mastima zizimwe. Tumeiva. Niga akuja tusumbue na randaranda, lakini exam ikuwa mbona coverse. Na sisi yako na Mkenya. Haya result ikisomwa, obvious. Grade liko juka. Na hiyo mbele yake anachukua mapresent.
I know.
So you guys really motivated me to be specific. Me. Your team, the accent, the everything. I depicted it from there. I picked it because I know.
We are glad.
So unajua nilikuwa na act sasa Kijaluo, Kinini, all this. Unaelewa uko Kikuyu, leo uko Kikamba.
Yes.
So ukifanya Kikuyu nilikuwa naona inakula kidogo. Nikifanya Kijaka naona inakula zaidi. So we should stick to this.
To this Luo accent.
The genesis. Acha nirudi tena pale kwa papa niangalie Tos na Jalas na Wilbroda. Then I stuck with the accent.
Oh, amazing.
Exactly.
So unaona accent yetu umetusaidia, hebu nitulipe. Nipatie nitawatumia. Nitatumia wengi.
Tutakutana chuom. Yale madore mingi.
Ndio. Sawa twende tukale. Hapa Mwenje they have very nice food ambayo wanaenda kutuandalia. Let's go eat as we finish off. Unasema nini Lulu kufanya hivi? Ile hapa kuna joto tunakupa.
Tumevumilia tu.
Twende pale ile place tulikuwa.
Kwanza mimi nimevumilia tu.
Oh, nice.
Yani Awilo leo ninakula na wewe.
Today you are eating with me.
Some player I've been watching while I think it was 2010.
Yeah.
It was 2010.
When you were watching me?
No, exactly. Papa premiered in which year?
Yes, I think it was around 2009, 2010. Because nakumbuka ndio baada tu ya hapo vile nilianza ku get comfortable, nikajua mshahara imeanza kuingia. Mimba kibindoni.
Mimba tibim.
Mimba. Yeah.
But it's good.
Yeah.
Ama you didn't want?
No, I wanted.
You wanted?
Yeah. I wanted and I'm glad I did.
So, let me be the interviewer now. What has made you move? This kept you moving?
What has kept me moving? I think for me, I keep remembering, it doesn't matter to what length or to what level God raises you. Always, lazima ujirudishe nyuma. Isikupatie pride. Isikupatie pride, hiyo ni kitu moja. Then mimi kitu ingine siogopangi kuuliza maswali. Hata ukauliza wa majenzi niko nao hapa.
You ask?
Me, I always ask. If I don't understand, I will ask. Because it's only through asking that you learn. Yeah, and you learn. So I'm never afraid to ask so that I learn more. To know what is it that people like these days. Ni phrases gani wase wanatumia siku hizi zenye zinabamba and stuff like that.
One question you had asked me before. That should any content creator ama big msanii amefika stage ya sasa amelemewa na maisha, anauliza usaidizi. Then people are like bashing the fellow. Wewe ulikuwa. What advice would you give? Like sasa mimi ndo niko hapa. Wewe unajua you've been in the industry for many years. You know the do's and the don'ts. So what are the do's so that we keep surviving in it?
I think one of the things, especially if you're just starting, you're young in the industry, invest. Save as much as you can. Save as much as you can.
To save kwa crypto. Ama saving kwa bank. Ama tujenge manyumba. Ama saving ni wapi? Jumini kisave leo. Kesho hiyo kwanza ikifika ni Friday weekend. Nimebomoa hiyo bank account.
Sasa si unaona.
But anyway, let me listen to the wise wisdom.
So mimi najiambianga, I wish mtu angenipatia hii advice when I had started. That wekanga tu kitu kando. Itaka mtu kukusaidia mahali hapa mbele. Me have come to know that when it's nikiwa mtu mzima kabisa. So mtu angeniambia huko zamani, when now the money was even do ilikuwa. Unajua saa hii it's a struggle really.
You mean saiko industry ni struggle? Hizi zenyu mlikuwa mnaibeba na bag?
Well, you know, zamani hatukuwa na responsibilities tuko nazo sasa.
Yeah.
So mtu angeniambia back then, maybe ningesikiza niseme, wacha tu niweke kidogo kando. Sasa hii ingekuwa imegrow.
So saving is one key.
Saving is one thing. And I am not blaming anyone who is not saving because situations are different. Maybe you even try to, but something always comes up because that is what life is.
Na unaipika.
Yeah. And also another thing, just take it a day at a time. Just take it a day at a time. Because saa zingine hata unaweza kusave, hata usave, ugonjwa inaweza kukuja. Kama Pastor Q na the late, alitibiwa na over 400 million.
I saw that one.
Over 400, na bado akatuacha.
Manze, I saw that one and I was like, 400 million. Then now the funny part of it, you know, the media part, the bloggers who are writing there, the family is in a financial crisis. Then sai tena naona familia yake manzeni ndo inapiga luku, ndo inapiga sherehe. I'm like, kwani hiyo financial crisis mtu ako na kwani
It lasted a while.
Because my expectation and other people's expectation, huyu ameenda, 400 imeenda. Sasa the remaining family, hawa sasa watakuja hapa online.
Unajua hiyo 400 alichangiwa? He said that his supporters, even from abroad, are the ones who changad. His family did not remove a single cent of the 400 million.
So stock yao iko.
Stock yao iko. And then another thing, biashara yao ni kanisa. Kanisa tu, hata kama umetumia do yote Monday, unajua nimebaki tu na 5 days. Tena Sunday ndio hiyo tu. So mshahara yao do yao ni weekly.
So tunaweza fungua moja.
Tufungue kanisa.
Kwambia yangu iko Kenya. I need to move it now from the house to outside. Another thing, people always ask me, especially the upcoming one. You find someone ameanza leo, kesho kutwa, they are less than a month in industry or 2 months. Then they ask, no, hata wachoki. Wanakuuliza, na naweza pata brand fulani. Unapatanga hizi brand? How do I get them? Is there a formula of getting the brands? So that I also learn, nikitoka hapa, I go start looking for them. Is there a formula?
We at least kwanza, afadhali hata wewe unaongea kuhusu an artist mwenye at least yuko kwa industry 1 month later na kuja kukuuliza. You should hear the people, or you should see the people who ask me for these adverts. Unaona tu jamaa ni soja kabisa. Ambia nilingona kwa ile nini Anvas ya Naivas. Niweke hapo ndani hata angalau nitafutie watoto wangu. Sasa utamjibu aje?
Kazi yake specialized kwa kusoja is a god.
It takes the brand to see you, that particular client to see you and see what you are doing. So mi waambianga wase, we jitume, kama ni kwa TikTok, kama ni kwa social media, and you also have to know what your brand is. Lazima ujue, okay, me I'm representing this kind of people. Don't be all over. So that mtu anizangalia seme, jamaa vile mi onanga content yake social media, anaweza kurepresent Johnny Walker ama Tusker. Huyu vile namuona, huyu anapenda kupika. Huyu nataka kumpatia Royco ama nataka kumpatia unga ya raha. Huyu vile namuona kila saa she talks about how she's trying to save and do what and she's looking for deals. Huyu vile mi ona content yake, anaweza kurepresent hii supermarket yetu when there's deals and stuff like that.
Do you think you can wait till uone Minomolo Kanyonja? Yani you wait till eternity. Do you think there's a need to look for them instead of waiting for them to look for you?
Nothing wrong with looking.
Nothing wrong with it.
Nothing
Have
wrong
you sent a proposal mpaka unangojea mpaka leo?
Mingi sana.
What do you do in that
Mimi na
situation?
manager wangu. Unatuma tu.
That you are seeing yenyewe, you guys can represent you, but you guys are taking long to see me. Should they come to you? So what you end up doing is making a good proposal
and you take.
Then you take. You are a big person. Then bado unangoja mpaka leo.
Kabisa, hata mimi vile unaniona hivi, I write proposals. I look at it, I'm like,
kama bado unaandika, then mimi niko mbali.
So keep writing. And sometimes they won't respond. In fact, a lot of times they will not respond and you will almost feel like...
Kwanza mimi kuna moja inaniuma mpaka leo. I started sending, tuko 2026. I started sending 2024. And I was just sitting somewhere, then one of the guys from that brand saw me like, huyu ni wewe, uko hapa? Yeah, nice. I need to make you meet my boss. I went. We didn't meet the boss, but he told me, do this, shoot a video, blah blah blah,
and send.
Then it will act like a launching pad. Up to date. Last week I still sent
it's
to
still
that
launching.
boss. Now I decided, give me the number of that boss. That boss now has to know me. That boss blue tick still just watching.
Yeah.
But boss, wherever you are, please.
Yeah.
I have to come. I'm the good person.
Yeah. Imagine it actually happens. And there are even people who will approach you. Like right now, I know a particular company that approached me. We negotiated very good money, or rather my team did. Na waka negotiate. Mtu wangu akanipigia akaniambia, mtu wangu tuko kwa mafuta. Tukamwambia wacha. Tuko mafutani yeye. Nikasema alhamdulillah. Paka sai. So you wonder kwani what happened?
The same thing happened to me during this chan. I'm seated somewhere watching the football. Hapo tu kasa. Mimi naona message. Ting ting. Yeah, man, the brand wants to work with you for 4 months. Mimi 4 months naangalia pake ya 30 hapa. Akili yangu iko kwa 30 ikienda sana 50.
Per month.
Akili yangu iko tu hapo tu. Unajua sasa sisi small farmers. Our brain does not go beyond. Kulingana na zile zenye tumeitiwa. So I'm like 4 months. Hiyo si kama chwani. So chwani for 4 months.
Hiyo ni sombili yako.
Mimi kwanza nimepiga miezi 2 and suffering. Suffering. Then now, this person sent a message and say for 4 months, a total amount of 1.4. So yeah, 1.4. I think I have the message. 1.2 more. I'm like, unajua ball inachezwa, mimi hata akili sasa iliama kwa ball.
Utachizi.
1.4. Baba na I'm rich, man.
Yeah.
Me and my generation, alhamdulillah. I catch 1.4. Nini unaniambia nini? Watu wako ball wanashangilia, lakini akili shaanza kupangia hiyo. Hapo nikinunua kakuota huko Reserve Migori ndani ya Mabei huko. Nianze kuidevelop hizi nyumba za mabati kama 10.
Weke landi.
Rent inachukua 2000 kwa mwezi. Unaona hizo mahesabu? No. Kesho yake naona message nyingine. We are sorry, the client looked for another person. I'm still depressed up to date. Do you
know who that other person is?
Don't tell me it is you.
No. Maybe it is.
I don't know who that other person is.
Hizo be unasema si haziko mbali na hizo zenye tukua tumeambiwa. But me, I have learned one thing. And I learned from a friend. Aliniambia, Jackie, usiwahi kuhesabu do. Hata ile do umefanya na client na kule umeshafanya hiyo job na umesign contract. Until you see it like this in your account or in your hands.
It has messed me several times.
Do not. So me, anytime nikifanya job, I don't even think about that money. Siku zile itakuja wacha ikuji ni surprise. Because I've been disappointed so many times. Zile za, so nitafanya hivi, nitafanya. Hata naweza pigia mtu cheki nipatie tu hapo 50k. In the next 2 months, nitakuwa na float mbaya.
Mimi nipe plot hapo Kitusuru bana. Do you know who I am? Now vacate those people I'm coming.
So me, I only count my chicks when they have hatched. I
so
don't
in such
even
situation,
plan.
what do you do? Do you still have the motivation or you give up?
You still do. That's what the industry is. People like us who started at the theater, we went for very many auditions. Wewe imagine umeenda audition hivi? Umeenda audition na hiyo audition ya kizungu. Lakini umejikaza kabisa na hizo kizungu zako mbili. Unaenda unakutana na mtu kama Mkamze Mwatela. You know Mkamze? Haujui Mkamze? Au ni watu wale tumekuwa nao theater ama acting. Au ni wale wanaongeanga kizungu ya mapua wameenda kwa
I know what I'm saying.
Aya, tuseme mtu kama the late Charles Ouda, of course you know Charles Ouda. Ulikuwa unaenda audition wewe mwanaume ukiona.
Kama huyu anafanyanga voice over za Citizen na maadvert. Anaitwa alikuanga kwa news wakampoteza akaenda voice over.
Nani huyu Mswahili nimesauti nake umtaita. Unajua ni wasi ukienda audition unaona Mwakazi. Unajua tu hii kazi siendi kuipata. So si tulikuwa tunaenda unaona nini Washera, unaona Mkamze Mwatela. Already the confidence that they have compared to yours, unajua I'm not going to get this job. And yet you'll still go for another audition tomorrow and tomorrow unajambia na hizi kizungu zangu mbili. I'm going to get into that audition hall and audition. Even if I don't get the job, they will call me one day for another. So you never give up.
Yeah, you guys have come a long way.
Yeah, you never do.
Wait for me. I think this online thing has saved us a lot. Or has saved us stress.
Umesema ungekuwa accountant kabisa wa serikali.
Mimi sasa ningekuwa accountant pale, engineer. But even still those ones still you need to show the work.
Pale Nyayo House.
Tenda ndo zangu.
Wewe ndio unatupiga picha za passport.
Na kusukumia chini ya
meza.
Uko na ngapi? So it has been a journey, yeah?
It's been a journey and it's been a beautiful one. I wouldn't change any part of it.
You wouldn't change, yeah? Nice. Do you believe collaboration, especially collab with you, does it have any impact?
Major.
And why the bigger ones always don't want to do a collab with the smaller one? Is there a reason behind it? Ama ni urombaya?
Nafikiri tu ni kukua too selfish. Because even them, ndio wafike hapo mali wamefika, kuna mtu aliwashika mkono. Ndio nifike hapa mali nilifika, kuna mtu amenishika mkono.
Exactly.
And we always say, you don't lose your light by lighting another candle.
You don't.
The room will just get brighter. And nothing wrong with that.
Mimi kuna moja nili-SMS for 3 good years.
Yeah. Hizi majina utaniambia off camera.
No, majina I'll tell you. I SMS for 3 years. Niko na messages. Na SMS. Now this fellow, or this lady, ndo anipe sasa collabo. I think he found me somewhere seated. Then he didn't expect, or she didn't expect.
Ini yako.
That ini yangu, ini ya wanaume.
Ini yako.
Ini roho ama
ni wanaume because mui kula kwangu ni vile tu nimekaa na wewe.
But ukiwa na wanaume ini ya mwanaume.
Lakini ikiwa kwangu ni mimi. Hiyo ni
Gizzard.
Gizzard. Ini chongwa adundo.
Now this fellow, when we are going to the parking, he sees me bonyeza key ya Mercedes. Chacha. Then he's like, is this yours? Then I told him, no, I've hired it. Then I don't know who came like, oh God, niake. I think that is the very day we did a collab. Hapo tu. A collab that we were not expecting. But my messages with him for 3 good years. Hi, my name is JK. I'm doing this. Can we do this? I have an idea like this.
Can you imagine someone who judges you because of what you own? Sasa because anaona ile gari unaendesha, now suddenly you are important. So that's very backward thinking.
I think she was like, oh, so you drive a Benz. And I don't have a car. And I've been in this industry for many years.
Oh, she doesn't have a car?
He didn't have.
Na alikuwa amekuringia?
Ama he didn't have, let's say not she or he. So
that
wa Kenya waende wa Google.
Nilikuwa naenda Google nione amefanya na nani. Aha, Mamito.
Mamito. Talking about Mamito, she's doing good, eh?
I love
super
her
creative, eh?
I love her content. And what I love about Mamito's content is she doesn't struggle.
You know, I'm always...
Anakanga ni kama amekaa tu hivi, akeka tu kamera akaanza kuongea and it just flows.
She did like the past 3 ones.
Yeah.
Brufen and
yes.
And Miracle Shake.
Yeah.
Those ones are doing nice, eh?
Very, very.
Have you ever compared yourself with another person? That mbona huyu amefanya, mbona sikufikiria hii?
It's very normal. As humans, we find ourselves comparing, but how far will you compare? How much will it disturb you? I think that is what is important. But comparing ourselves, it's very human nature. It's very human nature. The only thing is you shouldn't let it get to you. You always have to remind yourself that I'm very different. Even me, what I am doing is not what that other person is doing. If we were all to do the same thing, then what kind of world would it be? Can you imagine if we were all the same?
If we were all the same.
Yeah. Then it would be a very boring world.
So kila mtu afanye line yake.
Kila mtu tu afanye mambo yake.
Encouragement is
do it to your best of ability. And that's it.
Nice. Good to see you, man. My dreams are coming true. I kept telling people, man, they watch this space. Ona sasa niko na Awilo.
So am I. Ona sasa niko na JK.
No, mimi ni mdogo.
Mdogo wapi?
You looked for me for a month. What was the...
You see? He's a busy man.
No. What has made you look for me? No, like, Awilo ananitafuta mimi.
For
you want to say outside there I'm that big? No, but for me, I consider myself very small. I'm still growing.
You are. When I was leaving the studio in the morning, walikuwa wananiuliza,
You are with the Mutwiri, the guy who Alexis.
Nani Atenza?
Atenza. I've bought my Tenza with 1 million.
Tony.
With my 1 million.
Ajana na Tony. Tony is the noise maker.
When you're living?
When I was leaving the studio, nikaambia watu, nenda kutana na GKSL call. Mkote. Everyone I was selling that. Man, niko na shoot na GKSL call. They know you.
I'm humble. Let me say that. But we're trying to. We've been pushing it. And we're still pushing it. I'm also humble. You are taking your time coming over. And we're doing this thing.
We are.
Over and over anytime. I'll avail myself.
Thank you. So guys, umesikia nyinyi wenyewe?
Hata hii ni kuku yetu tumenunua na pesa yetu.
Tumenunua na pesa yetu. In cash.
In cash. 3,000 shillings. Eating in one seat. Do you think it's a joke?
No, it's not. It's not, bwana. Asanteni guys.
And you can order another one. Lakini bill tutapea Awilo and the team.
A bill nitalipa. Asanteni sana. This has been the Networking TV. Mimi ni wenyu Jackie Nyaminde na
JK Serikal, the government himself. Joko Koth Majoge.
Bas, ijakanye.
Dalawa. I'm a man of many places. But Asego Canada. You know Asego Canada?
Asego?
Canada. I'm a Canadian. Kwani Jackie ni Anya
Ugenya.
Ugenya Asego mre.
Ambira.
Huko interior, huko ndani.
Si ndani. Ngunya is not ndani.
County of endless potential. That's where I come from. Counties of endless potential.
What county is that? Homa Bay.
Where else? Canada. Singapore.
Gladys Wanga is my cousin.
Your cousin?
Tumegrow up na huko Chago huko Kano.
That's our governor. County of endless potential. It's called Asego Inam. Asego Singapore. Homa Bay, Singapore. That's where the Singapore dream is coming from. As we sambaza it to these other counties. Exactly. When is the last time you've been there?
Homa Bay. It's been a while.
You should go there now. That is a Singapore.
I have been told.
You've been told?
You're doing an amazing job.
Exactly. Nice. Odiso. That's how we call her there.
You call her?
Odiso.
Oh.
Nyawangaya.
Nyawangaya.
Exactly.
My mom is Nyawangaya. So she's my mother's relative.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. Sawa.